Guys, Orin Tech here, back with another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the best Minecraft alternative for free on your Chromebook, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button with notifications on. You're probably wondering, why should I subscribe with notifications on? Well, it's because I upload daily tech and Chromebook content just like this for you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so I'm on my Chromebook. First, what you want to do is go to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, click that, go up, scroll down to Linux apps, open the terminal, go ahead and copy and paste the first code, Control-C, Control-Shift-V. Click enter, and then we're going to wait for this to be done. While we're going to do that, then go ahead and copy and paste the second code, Control-C, and then once this is done, we will do Control-Shift-V. Alright guys, so it's done downloading. Just do Control-Shift-V, click enter, and do this one, Control-C, Control-Shift-V, click enter, click Y, click enter, then copy and paste this code, Control-C, wait for this to be done, and once it's done, we're going to do Control-Shift-V. So we're going to wait for that to be done, and I'll be back when it's fully done downloading. Alright guys, so it's done. Just do Control-Shift-V, click enter. Then go ahead and launch this. Go ahead and click Games, click the plus, click Add Launcher, then rename this Minetest, and then go to the command slot, click the file logo, click Home, click on your file, click OK, and then save the launcher by clicking this button. And then once it's done, just wait for this code, and then close this, close that, leave. Now scroll down to your Linux apps, open Minetest, and now guys, you have successfully installed the best Minecraft alternative for free on your Chromebook. You can just create a new game, you can play that new game. It is no lag really, since it's a really low-end game. Look guys, and you can look a full 360-degree viewing, and if that, or actually no, you can't, but there's a fix for that. Just go ahead and play around with this, play your game just how you would in Minecraft. That's how you get best Minecraft alternative on your Chromebook. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below, subscribe to get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shouts for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them. If you subscribe to me, one of these shouts could be you guys. Enjoy Minetest, which is the free Minecraft alternative on your Chromebook, and it's Orin Tech signing out. Put it out the coupe at the light.